How to fix deposit pending error in Coinswitch. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what I would recommend that you guys do is you click on your Coinswitch over here to open its settings. Now typically this error would occur when your interconnection is not really that efficient or not reliable. So over here, check on the connection method allowed for this app and ensure that it is enabled for all of the options that you currently have on your phone, such as your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. So if you have those enabled, ensure that the Wi-Fi that you're connected to is reliable and does not have any slow processes because sometimes it will cause an error when you're depositing. After that, I would also try and recommend to you guys that you clear the cache on your Coinswitch and try to reinstall it to reset any data or any leftover information that might be causing your Coinswitch to error. So after that, simply try again, log into your account and try to deposit once again. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.